Hey, welcome back. Good to have you here with us. It's good to see you. I want to talk about something that is very, very important. Do you have a stable job right now? Maybe you do. Maybe everything's going great. Uh, but what's going to happen tomorrow? Do you have any idea? Is there going to be a change? Who knows? Who knows what's going on in the world today? As far as your job is concerned, you don't know if there's going to be change, but change is inevitable. You should practice going through your interview process at least once a year, maybe even twice a year. Uh, it's time to update your resume, your CV, change things if they need to be, because change is inevitable. Being prepared is your best defense. Therefore, make sure that you get back on your feet as soon as possible by updating your resume. Who knows? Maybe the best things that's ever happened to you. So get things in order, update everything right now, check it out, see what you can do. Do you know how to prepare? Do you know what to prepare? Do you know what to change? Do you know what to say on an interview? Check out my YouTube channel. I'll give you all the tricks and tips that apply to today's fast-paced market, some of the things that's going on. You have to know things that are going to be effective for you, and that's what we want to help with. We want to help with your careers. We want to help with your life. We want to help you get things in order, and that's where my YouTube channel comes in. Check it out. We got a lot of new material. Check us out, not only on our other channels, but also YouTube especially. And we'll see you there. Take care. Have a great day.